Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Gaming Basic. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to sign up for Apex Legends. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. To sign up for an Apex Legend account, first make sure that you've downloaded the Apex Legend mobile application if you're doing it on your mobile device, and then after you start up with the game, you'll be able to see this page. Now, from the main home page of Apex Legend, tap on the More button right above the Login with Facebook option. Soon after you do that, you'll be able to see three options. You can go ahead and sign up for a new account using your Twitter account, your Electronic Arts account, or using the guest option. In my case, I'm gonna choose the EA account option in the middle. Soon after you do that, you'll be taken to the main login screen of EA account. If you already have an account, go ahead and sign in using your phone or email followed by your password. If you don't, tap on the create button at the bottom of the screen. Make sure that you create your account and log into your EA account by entering your phone number or email followed by your password on the next field. Soon after you do that, tap on the sign in button in order to log into your Electronic Arts account. Agree to the terms and conditions of the platform and then you'll be able to see that. Now you can choose the type you like. If you are a beginner with no experience, choose the first option. Similarly, you have other options as well according to your preference, and tap on confirm. Select a HUD setup between classic to Apex style and then tap on confirm again after making your selection. Soon after you do that, you'll be able to see that you've been taken to this tutorial. Go ahead and follow the prompts in order to learn how you can start up with the game, and you'll be able to sign up and create a new account for Apex Legends. That is how it can be easily done. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thanks for watching.